Morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a story. The title of our story is Growing a Pizza Garden, which sounds kind of funny, doesn't it? And the author is Maddie Spalding. So what we're going to do is, it says here, engage readers with the story of making pizza from items grown in your very own garden. So let's check it out. Table of contents over here, which we find in most of our nonfiction books. A sunny day. It is a sunny summer day. We will grow a pizza garden. Some people grow vegetables. What vegetables do you like on a pizza? Well, so Miss Thackeray loves mushrooms on a pizza. That's one of my favorite vegetables to put on a pizza. First steps. First, we find a sunny spot. Plants need sun to grow. Next, we lay down compost. Compost helps plants grow. So if you kind of look over here at this photograph, this is compost, and what types of things do you see in there? Give you just a second. Yeah, like right here, do you see the eggshells? Looks like pieces of lettuce. This looks like the peel when you peel the outside of a carrot. So I'm guessing that compost almost kind of looks like trash or things that you might have thrown away. To read a little bit more about it. The garden is shaped like a circle. Each plant gets its own section. Planting. Other people plant tomatoes. They will grow to be red and juicy. They will taste great on pizza. We plant peppers. Peppers make pizza colorful. That's one of Maddie's favorite things to eat is red or yellow peppers. She loves them. We plant basil. Basil is an herb. So herbs are parts of plants like the leaves and things that you might use for seasoning. So for instance, if you've ever heard of oregano or I'm trying to think of other ones that you guys might be familiar with, but let's look, save that thought, and we'll go and look at the glossary at the end of the book and see if they give some other examples. It is time to water the plants. They take a few weeks to grow. Then they are put on pizza. Yum! All right, so over here, this is what I wanted to look at, the glossary, and it says here, herb. An herb is a type of plant that adds flavor to foods. We make our pizza tasty by adding an herb such as basil. All right, so here's a pretty cool craft. If you decide to grow a garden, you can use popsicle sticks and decorate them, and that's how you can label your plant so you know what it is, what type of seed you planted. All right, hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see those pizzas. All right, love you guys. Bye.